इस बार अध्यक्ष के रूप में दीपक बंसल ने अपने सहयोगियों के साथ न केवल भारतीय मूल के भारत प्रेमियों को जोड़ा, बल्कि कई महत्वपूर्ण राजनीतिक प्रतिनिधि भी इस कार्यक्रम का हिस्सा लेने पहुंचे और बरखा के बावजूद देर रात तक तो नहीं, लेकिन देर शाम तक 7 बजे तक लगभग बहुत रंगारंग सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रम का आयोजन भी हुआ। तो पेश है इंडिया डे परेड की ये विशेष रिपोर्ट।
Namaste, the viewers of ITV Gold. It's really a pleasure to celebrate the 75th Independence Day of India in Hicksville, Long Island. I'm a proud founder of India Day Parade on Long Island. My best wishes to all of you and my special thanks to Dr. Sudhir Parekh for supporting the event. Thank you.
Hello everybody, I am Jyoti Gupta, IDP cultural chair with Amita Karwal also in cultural. And today we organize a very good cultural program for everyone. Lots of bhangra, garba, dances, mostly patriotic songs. And we have to create this kind of atmosphere which we never created before. Thanks to God, it was supposed to be rain, but it's very shining today. So thanks ITV and everybody for joining this IDP parade to celebrate India's 75th Independence Day anniversary.
Just come and enjoy the parade. You're going to have lots of fun. Bharat Mata Ki
Jai!
Bharat Mata Ki Jai, and all the good luck to the ITB committee and Mr. Deepak Bansal, the president, who has done the wonderful job for today, and wish him all the good luck. And the rain is not going to rain because I have already sent a request to the God. Thank you.
Hello and a very good morning to all our viewers. This is Dr. Bhavani Srinivasan calling from the India Day Parade. I'm one of the directors here. Congratulations to our president, Mr. Deepak Bansal. And look at this, Mother Nature has smiled on us, you know. She stopped the rain. And we're going to have a wonderful day at the parade. Come out and enjoy it.
All right. Hello, everyone. We are here in Hicksville, and we're going to have an amazing India Day parade. You know, we have our community coming together, and this is such an awesome festive time. I am the state senator that represents this area. I'm Kevin Thomas, the first Indian American to represent the state up in Albany, and I'm so proud that we're doing this in my district. So happy Independence Day and Jai Hind.
Happy India Day, and we are so happy to be here and support this event today. Thank you.
Nassau County Legislator Ronnie Drucker, it's my honor and privilege to be here today to celebrate Independence Day. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Supervisor Joe Saladino. What a thrill to be here with such important people like Tom DiNapoli and Deepak and our team from Oyster Bay.
State Controller Tom DiNapoli, happy to join all of my Nassau County friends.
And Tom Hand, happy to be here with you today.
Thank you everyone coming over here, joining our Independence Day. And I'm thankful to our county executive as well as our state department and our town supervisor Saladino, who has given us permission to do this parade, and we are really honored we have them here. We have a Grand Marshal, Dr. Jay Sarkar, as well as we have a celebrity actress, Elena De Cruz. So she is also joining us with the parade, and we have our guest of honors, Dr. Noori Naveen Shah ji, CEO of Navika Group, Ranju Batra ji, Diwali Foundation President, as well as Ishan Shivanand ji. So from Shivyo, everybody is participating in the parade. So please have fun and enjoy.
Hi, I'm Town of Oyster Bay Supervisor Joe Saladino. I'm here with all my friends, including Megan McCarty and Jennifer DeSena. We're here with Tom Hand, councilman in the town, and Rich Lamarcker, our town clerk, as well as our New York State Controller, Tom DiNapoli. And why? Because we're here for the excitement and the celebration that is the 10th annual India Day Parade in beautiful Hicksville. The crowds are coming, we're having a great time, and we want to say congratulations.
Good afternoon. India is celebrating the 75th anniversary of the independence, and we are here at Hicksville, and we are really thrilled to celebrate the India Independence Day. My name is Dr. Jay Sarkar. I am the Grand Marshal representing the Americans in New York, and we came from India, and now we have adopted this land of America, and we're really grateful to have come from India, our motherland, and we are so thrilled to celebrate the Independence Day today, and we welcome you all to join us today for the celebration of India's Independence Day. Thank you very much.
Hi everyone, I'm Nassau County Executive Laura Curran, very happy to be joined by Senator Kevin Thomas. We're here at the India Day Parade. You can hear the music, you can hear the excitement. I am personally so grateful to all of the contributions of the Indian community right here in Nassau County. The community is growing, it is vibrant, it is diverse, and we're here to celebrate. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Senator Todd Kaminsky, wishing everybody a happy Independence Day. Really proud of the Indian American community here in Nassau County, thriving, moving forward, and we all have to be together. We survive and thrive here in Nassau because we're one community full of tolerance and love. God bless.
Hi, my name is Harish Thakkar. I'm here to support our Independence Day. You see here's raining, but you see thousands of people here and to respect our country and celebrating this Independence Day. And I see this team, IDP team, work really hard for last couple of days to put this event together.